Yeah, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. I just got home. It was raining, but it stopped. So I'm gonna go ahead and record because I don't feel like taking the risk of it raining again and me not being able to make a video. Because I'm not riding in rain. It's like been a hard rain. It was like hard rain for a minute and then quit. Like 70 right now, maybe even a little bit colder. No, I doubt it. It's probably like 70 low, probably like 74. My feeling, I guess that or 70. It's just a cool breeze. It feels good right now, really. It's like it feels like the bit like early October or sometimes early November, basically. In Georgia, at least. That's my favorite type of year to hunt, really, when it's not hot and it's not cool. I mean, it's cool, it's not hot or cold. And you can wear your camo without sweating to death. The mosquitoes won't mess with you too bad. And there is still no water in here, oh my lord. It's kind of starting to make me upset at this point. See if I can get this thing with spinning tires enough to wheelie. I had the front tires come off the ground a minute ago. I'm gonna try again. No, I don't got the horsepower for all that. Or the power in general. Alright, y'all, we're back at this mud hole y'all always ask about. And it's not even muddy. That is kind of disappointing, to be honest. Yeah, it ain't even muddy. Oof. want to spin the tires a little bit, so I had to brake at first. I think I might ride to the bridge real quick. I'll let y'all know when we get there. I'm back here at this mud hole, and at this point, as you can see how grown up it is, this has pretty much become a secret mud hole. Like you really can't even see it no more. It's all the weeds and stuff. It's not terrible right now. Tried to go through the worst part. It's better than it was last time now that we got a little bit of rain. The tires actually kind of spun there. I'm trying to climb out. But I'll catch y'all under the bridge. Alright y'all, I finally got the GoPro right. We're out here at the bridge. About to hit the first little mud hole there is. It might be a little worse than last time, I don't know. Look at all the frogs. Yeah, there's some nice mud in there. There just ain't much mud in there. Alright, I think I'm gonna drop in right here. Gotta watch out for snakes though, that's the only thing. And it sucks about this spot, because there could easily be snakes chilling down here in the creek. There's a glass jar I probably should move. Well, never mind, we can't even ride that way because there's a dam. I'll be putting my feet up here. I'll be so scared sometimes coming through here, just because I don't know the water. Actually, I know where the ruts are over here though, so that's a plus. Ew. Alright, there's like a major rut over here. I can't tell if it's any lower than last time I came down here. Look at all the cans and stuff. I think I just ran over a bottle and it broke. Yeah, there's glass bottles all down here and stuff. That's why you gotta be careful. Look at that big old frog. Alright, right here is really where you gotta be careful because there's a log. It gets kind of deep right here. For like this time of year at least. Normally I wouldn't consider this deep, but it's been a hot minute since I've been in water floorboard deep, so I gotta take what I can get. Alright, you can go up right here, or you can keep riding and go over here. I ain't really never drove this far over here. I don't know where I used to come out at over here. I know I used to come up right there. There ain't really a good exit point over here, so I'm gonna put this joker in reverse real quick. That sand had the tires spinning. Well, y'all, I always forget it rolls back right here. I'm gonna check my tires. They already have like 0 PSI in them, but I want to make sure nothing cut them. We really need to clean it out while it's slow. I probably should do that after this video. But I think I'm gonna hit this mud hole one more time, and I'm gonna head to the house. Alright, let's hit this little mud hole. Hit it in second gear. Well, y'all, peace out. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.